I also do want to remind you guys that I am giving away 3 Sephora gift cards. Hi Pita Chips, welcome back to another video. I know I look a little bit different compared to the clips you guys are about to see right now. The thing is, as I was editing my video, a whole bunch of my clips, my intro, outro, and parts of the middle of the video got deleted, so I was like, you know what, I still want to upload it for you guys so you guys can see the steals and deals that I found, so I figure I kind of just will refilm it for you guys. But first of all, I really want to thank Regina for sending me the Anastasia Prism palette. She paid $29.99 at Marshall's and she sent it to me as my birthday gift, and I am extremely blessed for this. Like, I don't know what I did to deserve this, so thank you so much, Regina. So for the first stop, we went to Tjmaxx. We found Kat Von D, we found the Anastasia Prism palette, and we found a lot of other good high-end goodies. So let's go on to Tjmaxx. Alright guys, here are a couple things that I found. I found the Smashbox X-Rated mascara for $9.99. I found 2 of these Smashbox Be Legendary liquid pigment. These are in the shade Bad Apple, and these are $7.99, which is not bad. And then I found the Stila Color Balm for $5.99. It's in Savannah. And then a Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick and Rookie. This one is $7.99. And then I found a Smashbox bronzer for $20 in Deep Matte. And then a NYX Natural Look Kit. This one is $20 for the eyeshadows and then 2 lippies that you get. And then I found 2 of these Stila Color Lip and Cheek palettes. These are actually pretty nice for $7. There's this Pixie Ice Essence for $7.99. A Lorac Tantalizer for $4.99. A Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick and the Soda. Oh, this one's actually nice for $6. Might take this one. And then a Smashbox Color Correcting Stick. This one's the green to cover all the redness for $12.99. And then I found these MAC, which we've seen for a really long time, for $24.99. And then a whole bunch of the Glam Glow Pout Mud for $9.99. And then more Lorac, more Smashbox, and then this Clinique Compact Makeup for $17.99. And so far, that's all the high-end makeup that I found. Okay, here are a couple things that I found. I found this Jennifer Lopez perfume wall spray for $16.99. This Lorac foundation, but it's empty. It's nothing in here. And these Ole Henderson $4.99. These are grease relief and cleansing cloths. These are actually pretty nice. I think I'm gonna take these for sure. Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the shade Fair. And then I found this Philosophy Citron and Sage. This is a bubble bath for $12. This Peter Thomas Bright Correcting Mask. It's like $29.99. And then I cannot believe I found this. This is Sisley Hydrating Intense Anti-Age Lotion for $144. Ouch. But I cannot believe I found Sisley at Tjmaxx. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm currently in line to pay these. This is the only thing that I'm going to pick up because it seems pretty good for just $5. Alright, and we are out of Tjmaxx. I just got the little wipes that I told you guys just because it seems so interesting. Like, it exfoliates your face with just the wipes, so that was pretty cool, so I picked them up. Also, one of the Pita Chips that works here, Mary, hi! It's so nice when I get to see you guys in person. It's like the best thing ever. Then after Tjmaxx, we went to Marshall's, so let's play that clip. Okay, guys, we're at Marshall's now. We've been coming to this location a lot lately, so hopefully we can find some pretty good stuff. I found this Burlington's Beauty Resolution at Face Essentials, but I think it's taped up now. It's $10. I found this Buxom. It's really cute 3-piece mini lip collection. Comes with Sandy, Nude Exposure, and Blushing. So it comes with these 3 for $7.99. I did find this No. 7 palette. It's only $6. This is like with highlighters. This seems really pretty. I also found this Stila. This is a lip glaze. This one's $5.99 in Berry. And it looks like they're having a lot of revolution now. This is a hashtag selfie palette, which actually looks pretty cool, $4.99. And they have the Stripped and Bare Pro Looks 15 Professional Eyeshadows. Looks like that. Really pretty for $6. And then this Girls on Film, like that, for also $5.99. But it looks like they're starting to carry a lot of revolution now. And then I'm trying to see if I can find any of the palettes or anything like that, but so far no luck. Oh, I do see a Bobbi Brown box. Let me see. This is the Bobbi Brown box also. It's $15. It was the eye kit. And then I found this Cargo Powder Blush, which I had not seen, for $4.99 in the shade Catalina. So this one's new. I had not seen this one. Looks like they have the Peter Thomas Cucumber Detox iPads for $15 now. They knocked it out from $24 to $15. And then they have Dr. Brandt Dark Circle White Eye Serum for $14.99. That's what it looks like. They have Shiseido Clinique More Clinique Clarifying Lotion for $11.99. Peter Thomas, Estée Lauder More Clinique More Estee Lauder. They have a lot of high-end like skincare now, guys, so I keep telling you guys to check it out, but definitely come check it out. They have a lot of good stuff. Even like a drugstore like L'Oreal, Elf. This one, I thought it was Lancome, but it's not Lancome. But they have a lot of stuff. But this is cute. A unicorn magic face mask for just $3.99. Alright, so far I found this Stila concealer in the shade D, and I found one also in the shade C for $5.99. And then I found, look, the Smashbox lip liner that I found last time for $7.99. I found the Stila lip glaze, the same one back there, for $5.99. And then the Stila serum concealer in light for $5.99. Anastasia liquid lipstick in Rio. There's one also in Naked, which I have not seen the shade, or maybe I have, I just don't remember. And then a Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced for $12.99. And then Stila All Day matte lipstick for $5.99. They have a lash primer as well. They have the Smashbox Spotlight palette. This one's $14.99, and Single Shadows for $3.99. So funny story, while I was at Marshall's, I was in line getting ready to pay. I met Natalie's mom. So Natalie's mom, if you're watching, hi. And Natalie, thank you so much for being part of the Pita Chip family. I really appreciate it. It's always really nice to run into you guys, and I think now it's happening a little bit more. So if you guys ever run into me, please say hi. I won't bite or I won't do anything. It's like the greatest feeling when I get to meet you guys in person. Okay, then we left Marshall's and we went to Burlington. We found Tarte, but that clip deleted as well. But we did find Laura Geller, we found Physicians Formula, BB, The Balm Cosmetics. You guys already know all the good stuff, so let's go to Burlington. Alright guys, we're at Burlington. Let's see if we can find some Tarte, because supposedly there's Tarte here. So let's see. But if we don't find Tarte, as long as we find something. Alright guys, they have this e.l.f. 4-piece light brow kit for $4.99. It's actually super affordable. And they have all of these lip glosses by Pure for $3.99. And they have the lipstick ones. They're all like in a purple shade. And they have this e.l.f. palette right here for $3.99. This The Balm lipstick for $5.99. And they have all these foundations for measurable difference, except they're not my skin tone, $2.99. Oh, and then they have these Quick Pro portable palettes. This one comes with a highlight and contour for $6.99. And they have this one with the lippy and the eyeshadow for $6.99. And they have Laura Geller for $19.99. They do have this with the spider web because they're a little bit more expensive. Laura's Star Perfume Full Size Foundation. Oh, nice. $14.99. Laura Geller Perfect Pair 3-piece for the face, $14.99. BB Silicone Makeup Blenders. These mermaid brushes. These Rose Potion Glow from BB. These are $6.99. And Physicians Formula Powder Palette Bronzer for $3.99. This one looks actually kind of nice. $4.99 for this one. And Physicians Formula Super BB Beauty Balm for $3.99. They have these brushes from BB for $12.99. Look how cute these are, like a little mermaid bag. These are $19.89. They have EOS lip balm, 6 of these for $9.99. And this whole BB liquid lips comes with all of these right here. Alright guys, that is it for makeup steals and deals. I know it's a little weird, but I know you guys really enjoyed this series, so I was like, you know what, I have to figure out somehow so I can upload this video, and I really hope you guys don't mind it. Now let's talk about the giveaway item. You guys know that in every makeup steals and deals, I give away an item, and this is my way of giving something back to you guys for all the love and all the support. So for this giveaway, I'm giving away this Buxom lip kit right here. Super pretty. All you have to do is like this video, share this video, and comment down below your best find so far, and it is that easy to win this kit right here. I also do want to remind you guys that I am giving away 3 Sephora gift cards, and you guys know it is super easy to win one of these gift cards. All you have to do is go ahead and show me love. By that I mean go spam all of my social medias and make me notice you. That's the only rule. But if you do want to go that extra mile and increase your chance of winning, there is a link down below so you guys can go ahead and go check it out, and it gives you more points and a bigger chance of winning. Alright, now you guys are probably here because of the mystery boxes. Now I do want to clarify some things about the mystery boxes. First of all, I'm very sorry that I will not be doing international shipping. It is my first time doing this. I'm not familiar with how to do it, and also I know the shipping rates are pretty expensive, and I don't want you guys to feel like I'm taking too much money away from you guys, which that also brings me to another topic. The boxes will range from $20 to $40. I try to make it super affordable, and then I try to put in like a higher price in there. If you guys really like these boxes and you guys want more products, more high-end products, I can make $100, $150 mystery boxes. It all depends what you guys want to pay. The mystery boxes will be coming with 2 to 4 high-end products. If you guys buy a box, please send me a picture. Also, I know it might sound like too much money. For example, if you buy the $20 mystery box plus the $5 shipping, keep in mind that $5 shipping money does not go to me. That goes to the post office. So technically, you're only paying $20 for the products. I just wanted to clarify that. And that is about it for this video. If you guys are interested and want to purchase a mystery box, the link is down below in the description box. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the Pita family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.